In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Amazon Pay to your Shopify online store. To kick off this process, it is immensely crucial that you already have your Shopify admin panel at hand. This is where most of the action will be taking place. To access this, all you need to do is to log in or sign in to your Shopify store's admin section. This is typically quite easy to do, especially if you already have your login details. Next, we will perform some navigational actions. So once you're comfortably inside the admin section of your Shopify store, make sure to seek out Settings. Now, this Settings option is quite crucial as it houses most of the adjustable parameters of your Shopify store. To get there, look toward your screen's left side and navigate to the very bottom. From this position, Settings should be quite visible to you. Once inside the Settings area, seek out the Payments subsection and click on it. Now, Shopify has created the Payments Settings section to allow owners like you to set up, manage, or change their preferred payment methods. Inside the Payments Settings area, you will notice a subsection labeled Shopify Payments. To proceed further, click on the Manage button within this area. This will take you to a screen where you can manage your payment methods and preferences. From this point, a new section will appear. Hunt down the button labeled Manage Payment Methods and click it because it's time to adjust your payment methods. You must now turn your focus to the Wallets section. Scroll down till you find this part of the page. It is within this area that you will be able to select Amazon Pay as a payment method for your Shopify store. After locating the Wallet section, you will see numerous wallet payment options, each with its separate selection checkbox. Among these options, you should locate the one labeled Amazon Pay. To select Amazon Pay as your preferred wallet payment method, click Select or Add next to it. This action will then present you with some prompts that you need to follow in order to authorize and connect your Amazon Payments merchant account to your Shopify store. Expect to do things like signing into your Amazon account and authorizing Shopify to access certain information pertinent to executing payments. Once you have followed all the prompts correctly, it is time to solidify your choice. To save Amazon Pay as your preferred wallet payment method, take a moment to click on the Save button. What this does is basically activate and reflect Amazon Pay as a payment option on your store. Finally, to ensure that everything is operating as it should, it would be wise to perform a test purchase. This is a foolproof way to check that the integration of Amazon Pay into your Shopify store was successful, and it is ready for customer use. And voila! You have successfully added Amazon Pay to your Shopify store.